Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at my house and this is Kool-Aid.
Padaan ako.
So right now, you can see that. I don't know if the camera caught it, but if you saw it, I think it's a bit high. So I'm just gonna do this. Just catch it. Oh god, this is never gonna work.
Bel, is that sinigang? Gusto mo? Eat, do it, baby. Kuha ko rice. Kuha ko rice. Oh, good. Rice.
So the things not good enough over here, so I'm just gonna bring this chair or something. Oh, it's fluffy. And then put it over here. Yeah. But you got back, so
Doon sa
I'll
kwan?
just get your. I just get.
Nasa table.
So
Sa table.
I'm gonna
Padaan
do the
siya.
basketball practice. Yeah, guys.
Do it.
I'll be back in like 6, 10,
Yummy.
30 minutes. So yeah, peace out. Hey guys, I'm back in practice, and I look the same. I just moved this again. Just gonna get myself a drink because I didn't get practice.
Kain. Subo ka ni mami. Subuan ka ni mami. Subo ka ni mami. Yummy.
I never did this before, guys. That's good.
Wow.
So I moved the camera a bit.
Mommy, daddy. Set, doggy.
I moved the focus. I moved the focus thing.
Set, doggy. Kain ng rice. Yummy.
That's what I did. Put the bucket in there. And I got the food. And guys,
Belle, you want to eat, Belle?
so if you know, I'm bad. So bad. That's not how.
Sarap. Sarap kain sa
Let me try to shoot. I don't know how good this camera can work, so yeah. And I just got this alcohol Lego. Oh my god, you're gonna love it. I don't have time for
Mommy,
singing
daddy.
songs.
Ate, set. Mommy, daddy.
It's just
Yay.
so there. She's pointing.
Very good, set. Very good.
I don't know how long this camera could take, but I think it's gonna take a pretty long time. Hold up.
Masa si Paw Patrol? Uh-oh.
few moments. I just have to go to do something, and then I'll be right back. Peace out, guys, again.
Back.
So I'm back, and I ran this inside, guys. One second, guys. Just had to do Musical.ly.
Wow. Very good. Very
So I'll be back.
Opo. Dito tayo po. Sa loob.
So I could play my
Set.
Musical.ly.
Dito, lamig dyan. Dito tayo.
Peace out,
Okay,
guys.
opo. Sige.
I'm back with my Musical.ly. And
Ganda.
oh, guys. Chapstick challenge. Oh my god, 200 obsidian challenge? No way.
Ikaw sa ball.
Oh, and guys, if you do not know this, I am obsessed with dance arms, but I'm mostly obsessed with Mackenzie and Maddie. So first I'm just gonna try not to laugh, and I'll be back, guys.
You want some more?
Sorry, guys, I can't cut this thing now.
Gusto pa?
Oh God, Ariana Grande, really?
Mo pa, mami? Ha?
So yeah, guys, I'll be back in a
Gusto pa?
second.
No more.
Peace
Gusto
out.
pa? Kuha, mami? Ayaw na. Gusto pa? Ayaw na. Kuha pa ako? Ha? Kuha pa si mami? Kuha pa ako? You want more? Tara, let's go. Get some. Kuha si mami, ha? Kuha pa ako, ha?
Kasain na. Kasain na ro. Lamig daw, lamig. Ha? Lamig. Sino yan? Sino yan?
Kain. More.
Hey guys, so I'm back and I grabbed this.
Kanta na.
So
Ayun.
Yummy!
I'm mostly better.
Sarap!
So
Sarap naman.
we just put up a try not to laugh challenge.
Ay, dirty!
By the way, guys, this is not my phone.
Kopya.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So right now I'm gonna do a try not to sing aloud challenge. Man, I'm bad at this. Extreme. Oh, I've always wanted this, guys.
Yummy! Gusto mo nakababa? Very good. Very good ang love ko, ah. Gawing kain. Very good.
Oh, no way.
Galing-galing kain.
360. Damn it, footage.
Very good. Yum, 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 yum,
Oh, can't you?
yum.
So guys, this is
So today we're going to show you a series of videos, but there is a challenge.
Oh, jeez.
damn it.
Is it the try not to cringe or
Okay, this is it.
Dami kain na.
Oh, robot cars.
No more. Finish your drink. Finish.
There's a new Prince jail.
Tapos, ubos.
Stupid. Okay, you guys don't have to watch. Oh God, guys! I don't even like the song. I don't even know the song. I don't even know the song.
Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Is it
Are
too
you serious?
late now to say
Are you
sorry?
serious?
Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? You watch me.
Oh! Guys. Shoot! So guys. Dad. That. Oh gosh. So guys, this is gonna be enough for today. So, yeah guys. Bye.